Hi, I'm Kristen Lawton, a member of the New York Product Stewardship Council and Director of Recycling at OCRRA, which is an award-winning recycling program with a 30-year track record in upstate New York. Thank you for the opportunity to speak today. As many folks have mentioned today, New York has too much waste and our recycling rates are stagnant. And also our recycling funding system is unsustainable. We really need to incentivize those who produce packaging to reduce it while making it more recyclable to improve our recycling rates. In a time of extreme market volatility and increasing expenses, currently the burden to collect, sort, and market recyclables falls to local governments and taxpayers, not to the manufacturers that produce the packaging. This puts public funds at an unacceptable level of risk. Packaging, as we've heard, is becoming much more complex, and it is harder to recycle, placing an undue burden on municipalities. In Onondaga County, where we serve 210,000 households, we have invested more than $5.6 million since 2019 in curbside recycling, yet our volumes are decreasing. It is getting more expensive for haulers to recycle. Often it is equal to or the same as throwing material out, so recycling is leaking out of our system. We need a law that shifts financial responsibility from municipalities to manufacturers, one that will encourage joint interest in recycling success, one like the effective EPR laws that you have already enacted for electronics, rechargeable batteries, paint, and other products. We need a law that will hold manufacturers responsible for end-of-life management of the packaging they produce and incentivize them to reduce packaging size while increasing the recyclability and recycled content of their packaging. This will help support a circular economy. We need to compel manufacturers to fund recycling education so that universal rules and product labeling can be established. This will help reform the patchwork of local recycling programs that we have throughout the state and correct widespread consumer confusion about what is actually recyclable. We need to require manufacturers to contribute to the expansion and modernization of recycling infrastructure so that programs can expand to underserved communities and handle more, as well as more complex types of packaging. The sorting technology is there. Investment in infrastructure and job creation is what is needed. This sort of law must provide sustainable funding that covers the full cost of recycling, from public education, collection, sorting, to marketing. It needs to cover the cost of all recyclables, including paper, which is 65% of our recycling stream. It needs to ensure that all New Yorkers have access to good recycling programs, because we still have large, underserved sectors and programs that are inconsistent in service and quality. The New York recycling system desperately needs to be modernized with an EPR approach that improves recycling rates, reduces waste, and protects municipalities from the financial risks of unstable recycling markets. Local governments and the taxpayers of New York cannot wait any longer for this much needed relief. Thank you.